डॉक्टर अराबम नौने मणिपुर के 1949 में भारत के साथ हुए विलय को एक लोकतांत्रिक एकीकरण के बजाय एक प्रकार का कब्जा मानते हैं। उनके अनुसार इस विलय में जनता की सहमति नहीं ली गई, बल्कि यह एक तरफा और दबावपूर्ण कूटनीति के तहत हुआ। उन्होंने कहा कि मणिपुर की संप्रभु आवाज को इस प्रक्रिया में नजरअंदाज कर दिया गया और स्थानीय जनता की राय को पूरी तरह से खामोश कर दिया गया। डॉक्टर नौने का मानना है कि यह ऐतिहासिक घटना आज भी मणिपुर की राजनीतिक और समाज में असंतोष और सवालों का विषय बनी हुई है।
मर्जर एग्रीमेंट से ऑन रिकॉर्ड मतमदुदा लेरंबा गवर्नमेंट अदुना इंडिया की सरुक की गवर्नमेंट नत्तबा ऑटोनोमस ओइबा गवर्नमेंट अदुना मतमदुगी शिलोंग की मर्जर एग्रीमेंट यानिंगदी हाइदना 29 September 3rd session of the first assembly of the Manipur decided and objected and condemned the merger agreement. Shillong times the annexation of Manipur and Fongi. Ashumna taudana matamdu leramba MSF, matamdu leramba chhatri ki lup singna, matamdu phonglama newspaper singna ek adubo haiba merger adubo yaning da phongdo kibai wa from on record talai. I have nothing to say on this because it was well recorded. Now, Masia in Haizabagi Madam di Karigino, 1949 as in a perspective. I going as a horribly mirolna, 1949 get Haudawasi, Mami Sheng than Uba Gumba Amalay, Batona Tawi, Madugi Mami Sheng the Buddha Tugaina Bigdamuktani in Haizabase. It happened very clearly, and there were reports, there were letters which is mentioned in the book. To be precise, the government of India of that time knew very well that they were violating a lot of provisions of international law, and they were also violating a lot of democratic procedures of integrating a state. Having said this, I want to go to a couple of references. Merger agreement tawdringagi mamangda 1947 August 11. I repeat, 11 August 1947, almost 2.5 years before the signing of the merger agreement, the Manipur government, the Maharaja of that time, had signed an agreement with the government of India, which came to be known as Standstill Agreement and Instrument of Annexation, 11 August 1947. Madhuda kari haige Manipur ki list three issues pitokre: communication, external affairs, and defense. Masi Indiana take care lobby wana. Aduna tapuri 47 August 11 August 47 dagina 15 August faugi manungdare ama matam sidati Manipur ki haiba achoba responsibility ahum mase government of India na pai khi haina lobby ai. Adubo Indian Independence Act haidana Britain dagi Clement Attlee na sign tawra tharakiba Indian Independence Act ki matungina di section 7 Clause B ki matungina di hana agreement leramba amata chanaroi 15 August dagi haiba 14 August ki numidang dagi haidana yaubana maram oraga Manipur na pithoba list ahum dusu pithoktre hana lobi yari sini. So simple. I don't want to confuse you with the dates. My simple point is that Manipur had a very distinctive political journey of governing herself. And that's a very important point for the generation today in terms of research and in terms of understanding a historical phase which continue to reverberate even today. Simayare, Hauzek, Sigumba Makhalgi, Ningtonasu, Aidi Huzik sign Tobagi power later, Manamdi Manipur elected government later, Haizaraba, Manipurugi, Matamdugi assembly to condemn Toraba, Matamdugi papers sing the su, Namna Lokshan Bani Hairaba, Adu Wapam sing a do, Karamna Torokibano Hairabadi, Indiagi, Punba but nationalist Hariba, Adumba, Indian ideology, Koba Peri Andersona, Adugumba, Wakalon Aduna, Namdra Tuan Kibani. Adunani, Matamadugi, Ahanba, Home Minister Sardar Patel na, don't you have a brigadier in Shillong, Hariba? Shillong the brigadier later bra, Hangapa, Shaudana, Manipur getting Taudana Karino, Saint Oyadripado, Ato Pamadana, India gives a power scholar, Mona Lady Ba, Sanjib Baruana. The integration of state was like using an authoritarian accent. Authoritarian accent tabati namlogi wakal yauba aduba wakalon leiba process amani hanaloki asumna taudana after a 5-day drama 5-day drama as aina haibanate matamdu letter de yaurambani 5-day drama tawro matungda